Let me warn you, what you are about to see is chaos. Beautiful chaos.
So, I love my friend, he's an amazing guy. But every time we turn around, it's like clean up or move stuff. But today we have to get this shop purged out, cleaned out, because we have three projects that I need Cappie to work on. So we all grouped together today, and here we are cleaning the garage out. It's gonna be awesome. Just you wait, it's coming.
What Ruby is saying is that I have a hobby that some people might describe as a problem. I am not a minimalist.
Got 3 of them brand new.
You got 3 of these that are brand new.
What? They're brand new.
No, this one's old. You got 3 that are brand spanking new.
Oh.
What do you want to do? Split the ball? You've got a shitload of balls in here too. If I could get it all, you want to keep this the whole thing?
Yeah, because I don't know. Because if we get
Look at this one's hiding in the back.
There's 4 of these on the shelf.
You know what's funny?
Yeah, she knows. Yeah,
He knows what he's got. He just hasn't seen it in
He
years.
just forgets that he has it.
Oh yeah. Where's the oil things?
With the little boobs.
Yeah. Where's all his oil stuff?
Snapping me to get it.
Clark, do you need a grease gun?
He already gave me one last year.
Oh, look at that.
You're sure you're not attached to the hand crank?
We've been looking for these. Oh my God!
Oh yeah, I would put that on a dog.
Yeah.
Don't drop it.
Can we get rid of the catalytic converter?
This thing?
Yes.
No,
Why would you save that?
because I'm gonna make piece art of it. Judgy McJudgerson.
That one's...
The steps are getting faster and closer
We got Ruby. Oh, buddy, you're the only one I know with a horse. Well, you don't have a horse, but
Okay.
you're the only one I know that knows things about horses.
I found some more of those in the mule the other day
There's a
too.
whole box full.
Is this a Ruby size apron?
That's it.
Hey, I got an old shit handle. Oh shit! It's kind of cool.
Chain hoist?
This is a mess.
Oh, look at that.
Such a mess. Chain hoist stays here.
Hey, there's part of your rain gauge. Your rain thing.
That's just a smaller version, but yes.
That is something I need to buy, is a rain gauge.
Let to know you're an old man when you need to buy a rain gauge.
There. Oh my God. Mole heads.
This
Oh, the little stool.
is for this one.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I got one like this.
Cool.
Somewhere.
Oh, that cute little oil can.
Yeah, that's a bucket of lead.
Yep, I can tell.
Danger, poison.
Dustin, let's grab a shot back. Hey, there's your splitter.
It's amazing. Woo-hoo.
Bottom's gonna blow out of this thing.
Don't do that. I can't fix that.
We just set it down.
No, because we're going to the trailer with it. Don't let it down. Don't do it, Tanner. You got this. Come on. Holy crap, dude.
I told you. Clark will like some of this stuff.
Oh, Clark. This is the apocalypse in here. How many people you know have one of these just sitting in their shop?
One.
Listen, I went to this auction, and
Oh my gosh.
I knew I wouldn't have many chances. But this is a. So this is how you would split rails. So you would stand like this, and this is curved out, and you would come down like this, and it's got a flat face on one side, but it peels everything out on this side.
This is a roofing hammer.
Oh, there you go.
An old one. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's old.
Yeah.
It's all real old. Anyway, there's some fun treasures in here. But it's real effing heavy.
1, 2, and 3.
Oh, that is adorable. Look at this one. Isn't that cute? See, doesn't have
What would you use those for?
Decoration.
decorations.
Oh, well, you could build wedding rings.
Paperweights.
Oh my gosh.
Those are adorable.
$20,000.
But I like this. A plumb bob.
As I say, isn't that a plumb bob?
Yep. It's a fancy one.
It's gorgeous.
Isn't that cool? Yep. Put your string through there and
Still part of the string.
still got a piece of string.
This one crate that's gotta go.
What?
So this is an amazing crew of people we got. Dustin, who pretends he's this super grouchy bear, is actually a giant squishy marshmallow in the middle. Such a hard worker. Ruby, he's down for anything. He's there night, day, early, late, whatever you need. He's always there, and he's always, always positive. He's always happy. Tanner, such character, can fix anything, can drive anything, can run any piece of equipment with great precision. I'm a little jealous of some of those skills. And I'm a pain in the ass that talks on the phone more than a 12-year-old girl.
Accurate.
Are you hungry? Yeah.
Always hungry.
Dustin's digging through the garbage for food.
It's not garbage. This is brand new.
Those are treasures.